it's about vaccination. So I'm a researcher. So I do feel I have reservations about it, but then I feel that, being spiritually inclined, I do feel that even if I get vaccinated, even if something happens, there is the Shabd which sustains us all, has the power to help us go through whatever it is.
Beta, we have to take necessary precautions.
Right.
Every medicine that you take is going to have a reaction in your body. But does that mean we stop taking medicines? So we have to sometimes see what is the lesser of the two evils. So that is the choice I have to make. I agree with you. I mean, we are loading ourselves with medicines which will keep on causing reactions with our body. But would you rather suffer? Or would you rather that whatever last breaths I have, it should be with some happiness and peace, and I work towards a certain purpose? Even, you're a researcher, you should know, if you see the Western medicine and the Indian medicine will always want you to go through a certain pain, because that pain then causes the reaction in the body to fight back. But in Western medicines, because the ability of the human being he's become so weak, he can't stand it. So they will keep on giving you painkillers, they will keep on loading you with painkillers. Whereas in the Indian system, it's not like that. Indian system says a little bit of pain is good for you. So the question is, can we take it? Do we have that ability to take it? So if I'm drowning and somebody's putting out his hand and say, okay, I can help you to be afloat, should I take it or not? I've taken both the vaccines.
So will I. Thank you.